Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products that promise to elevate your routine. Today, we're talking about a product that could very well be your cuticle's best friend, CND Nail and Cuticle Care Solar Oil. If you're dealing with dry, damaged cuticles and nails that need a little extra TLC, this could be the solution you've been looking for. CND Solar Oil is a nourishing treatment for both your nails and cuticles, specifically designed to hydrate and strengthen. Infused with jojoba oil and vitamin E, this lightweight moisturizing oil helps restore balance to the nail area, promoting healthier and stronger nails. It comes in a 4 bottle, which is a pretty generous amount for regular use. With a sleek design that fits easily in your beauty drawer, it's convenient to have on hand during your routine. Let's talk about real-world usage. Solar oil is easy to apply. Just a few drops on each nail, massage it in, and let it soak. I've been using it both morning and night, and I found that it quickly absorbs, leaving behind a non-greasy finish, which is a huge plus. It's not a product you'll need to worry about leaving an oily residue. I also love how the oil isn't heavy. It doesn't feel like it weighs down your nails, and it doesn't interfere with my other beauty products. I've used it both on freshly manicured nails and on my natural nails, and it works great either way. But what about results? After a few days of consistent use, my cuticles look visibly hydrated and my nails feel smoother. I've noticed a reduction in peeling and cracking, especially around the nail beds, and my nails themselves feel less brittle. Solar oil gives that subtle but noticeable shine, which is a sign that it's doing its job to condition and restore moisture. It doesn't claim to make your nails grow faster, but it certainly improves the condition of your nails over time, making them look healthier. Of course, there are a few things to consider. While it's an excellent treatment, it's important to be realistic about what it can do. If your nails are extremely damaged or brittle due to a medical condition, you might need to consult a dermatologist for a more specific treatment. Solar oil works best when used consistently, but results may vary depending on the severity of the damage. When it comes to value for money, I think solar oil is fair priced for the results it delivers. Given that this 4 bottle will last quite a while if used daily, you're getting a solid, effective product for your cuticles and nails without breaking the bank. Plus, you're investing in a product with reputable ingredients like jojoba oil, which is known for its nourishing properties, and vitamin E, which helps protect the nails from environmental stressors. Considering its overall effectiveness and longevity, I would say the price is justified. Now, let's compare. If you're looking for similar products, there are options out there like OPI's Avoplex, which also features nourishing oils. But solar oil holds a strong position due to its blend of jojoba and vitamin E, which are proven to moisturize and protect the nails over time. In terms of performance and reliability, CND's solar oil definitely stands out as a staple in the nail care category. CND has built a solid reputation in the beauty industry, and their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful if issues arise. So you're not just buying a product, but you're also investing in a brand with a history of quality. If you're someone who's constantly battling with dry, cracked cuticles or weak nails, there are alternatives that are more affordable, but I don't believe you'll get the same performance. Solar oil isn't necessarily the cheapest option on the market, but it's one of the most effective. To wrap things up, I highly recommend CND Solar Oil for anyone who's serious about improving their cuticle and nail health. It works exactly as promised, hydrating, strengthening, and nourishing. If you're tired of dealing with dry, flaky cuticles or brittle nails, this is a great option to try. Just be sure to use it consistently and you'll see results. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can discover this video. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase CND Solar Oil is in the description box below. Have you tried solar oil? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.